So he went after the man of God and found him sitting under the oak. And he said to him, "Are you the man of God who came from Judah?" And he said, I am. Then he said to him, "Come home with me and eat bread." And he said, "I cannot return with you, nor go with you, nor will I eat bread or drink water with you in this place." He answered the same thing.
Mhm.
For a command came to me by the word of the Lord, "You shall eat no bread, nor drink water there, nor do not return by going the way which you came." The same thing, the same word. He said to him, I also am a prophet like you, and an angel spoken to me by the word of the Lord, saying, "Bring him back with you to your house, that he may eat bread and drink water." But he lied to him. So he went back with him.